Well, there's still a lot of questions about what opioid maker Purdue Pharma is going to do next. There's still a chance that it could settle with the state attorneys general, or it could file for bankruptcy. And if it does that, the Sackler family that owns Purdue will find itself in an unwelcome spotlight. Meg Tirrell explains.
They're among America's richest families. The Sackler name adorns institutions from universities to art museums. The source of their wealth, Purdue Pharma, and the blockbuster opioid painkiller, OxyContin. And as Purdue is now at the center of thousands of lawsuits from states, cities, and others over the toll of the opioid epidemic, the Sacklers are becoming a bigger target.
We have evidence that Richard Sackler and other members of the family are directly involved in sales conversations, marketing, planning. They accompanied sales representatives on calls. They are a part of the entire enterprise in a way that is generally not normal just for people who own a share of the company.
Ahead of the first federal trial in the opioid lawsuit scheduled for October, Purdue and the Sackler family have been in settlement discussions with state attorneys general and others. But according to several of those state AGs, the two sides aren't on the same page. And the company has reportedly threatened to file imminently for bankruptcy if a settlement isn't reached this month.
Going into a free-fall bankruptcy is going to be problematic for the litigation and for the attorney generals.
The states want to see more money guaranteed from the Sackler family. But in addition, they say if Purdue files for bankruptcy, their attention will turn directly to individual Sackler family members.
If we can come to terms, there's no need for me to sue the Sacklers individually. If we fail and the company goes into bankruptcy, but the Sacklers do not, then at that point, I will have no choice but to sue them individually.
The Sacklers are already named in several state suits, and it wouldn't be the first time the family's been involved in litigation. A just unsealed deposition video obtained by Stat News and ProPublica reveals questioning of Richard Sackler, former chairman of Purdue.
Do you believe that any of Purdue's conduct has led to an increase in people being addicted in the Commonwealth of Kentucky?
No.
Purdue agreed in 2015 to settle that case with the state of Kentucky for $24 million. States now are looking for a lot more.
They extracted billions and billions and billions and billions and billions of dollars from this company over the last decade.
A spokeswoman for Purdue Pharma declined to comment, while representatives for the Sackler family didn't immediately respond. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Meg Tirrell.